Russia's army are slow learners doing the same mistake multiple times and repeating these every now and again, with Ukraine now striking inside Russian territory at a much higher rate. Russia is making the same mistake of gathering large amounts of vehicles, this time putting supply trucks together, letting a large swarm attack to be carried out with the first strike, causing the trucks to spread out. They were hunted down one after another, destroying a large amount of supply trucks due to Russia's incompetence. Russia needing to relearn what has taken them so long to learn inside Ukraine, leaving a lot less